Mema wakwaba de ba GCN page so medin e de adwoa searching. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Faunsa mi abe on so ubenya notification. Ense me ekoso wa bia benya bi etie anase ubenya bi ahwe. Felix Apia eye Ghana ni body shelter abrochiri. Oye blogger wo Facebook. Na osanso eye musician. Na ochese oye MPP ni because anytime obeka se bia identify no as an MPP. Na ode ensem bi atodwa. Nisema okay na say NPP party no emu mpanifo ni bi titiri pa eye MPs no omu ni suban baako sen omu yo omu nye na bonifache so omu eni bi boni nko na ahye omu akomem e na omu etirim NPP party na eda ho no emu mpanifo no se we efum we ya we entumi mfenche we nso efum we ya we nso entumi mfenche na omo de gu party ni mu saa da omo ye saa esan se omo fonfom omo ntumi enfa ncheche omo hunti no information bebre o party ni mu no omo abone na nsembone ya so omo akomem na omo tiri bi no na information o party MPP party ni mu no omo asesa ni na de akoma NDC fo no na NDC fo no so ate na omo agina so na omo de ye MPP fo no na omo de ye propaganda etia omo na Felix etrese MPP fo mpanifo mu hwe mu huye na adwembone na adwemfi na omo akomem na muntiri mu no muyiye mfi na mofa komakan ya ntina party ni mu na munja information na mo de call out no na mo de information no comment this fo a omo so do mbe use dey against him ombe use dey agina so ya aye propaganda saa dey atia mo na wo MPP party ni mu na sa wo de information call out comment this fo na sa omo de tia bo na sa mo aban na opposition a ahasa ho na wo ye ni mi ana se hwan ya mi adwa na se hwan na wo ye ni eye mo akasa na mo ye mo ho nti MPP fo mpanifo na mukọ information wa party ni mu na adwombone ahye mu ntiri mu nti mutumi le di na mo de call out e comment this fo na mo de gina so ye mo no mo ye steady na mo ye careful na yenti nsem a Felix Apia e de etodwa.
Any of those people would have defended their life. And if I was Hawa Kumsina, I would take them fancy man MP na Omukun no. Say yeah, and anka they were also equipped, and anka they were also soldiered up, and Kebia they would have been able to banter with these people, anka sa deal with Yankoba. But this answer Ghana, ye serious intino, Bibiani a Janice in same Musa, Bibiani a Janice in same Musa, and that is what happened. Hawa Kumsin had a gun that she has licensed, or a gun that was licensed. It's not an illegal gun. She is somebody that is an MP. She works for the government. She has every right to defend her life. If she feels that her life is in danger, if she feels that because obi tututio, obi shade, obi at so I have a gun on me. Now my child no me dey be twame no mu twitwame wi a Ghana fo nkron ya trofo difo Ghana fo mbronsamfo we no asia be be gina Major Mahama enye nipa na eku no mo pa kire me say den kire buma so se wan hwan ya omukokun no sebe nti na nyansani bia ne obehu se papa ye soja ni na papa we ye sei enso ye hwema ye si na aboku no nti anka ono kro ye soja ni no nti Hawa Kumsin ontena woni yensi na abo nkunu yentwitwa ne sekan se yi yentwitwa ne nkunu de se nyamfansman MP ni wuye no ansa na ya ba be ye ya be ka so Hawa Kumsin awu. She defended herself, and that should not disqualify her as long as she's able to do the job and she's capable of the task. She has every right to be a minister. She has every right to be able to deliver because she has proven herself to deliver. So that was not going to work. Some propaganda na dear he woman say ubenya NPP yankasa yempenifo MPP for yankasa yempenifo ne yenyawo nyo mankasa the information e ma NDC for. Because with the men, I don't agree with this minister. I'm not good with him. He's not my pal. Intino na mwankasa mo mama information. Ye the Gensi party no. Na mwankasa MPP for MPs no. Mwankasa mo the more information mama Harry no. Knowing what these people are capable of. Like I don't know what is wrong with NPP. Say Boniface ni any you say then you like you really want your party to crush. You want your party to crumble, all because say you don't agree with a single person in the party. Then why did you join the party in the first place? Why did you join the party in the first place if every little thing is gonna take you off for you to throw bombs? Sorry. Now, I'll talk about the airport 150 charge that is being charged. I'll be honest, I'll be the first to admit. Na minim say there was a company I partner with Ghana Airport Association was saying to do this COVID-19 test, and per me checks you're from Frontier Healthcare Service, because and then so I just decided to do a little research about it and see what I will know. Now Frontier it partnered with Ghana Airport Company, and this was in order to administer the test. Now I'm afraid FIA, that is a FIA antigen qualitative test, and the FIA Nidia me to me kakra a doctor for wa he betumi aboa yen yes fluorescent immunoassay. Fluorescent immunoassay, that's supposed to be the FIA antigen quality. Mesremo test no test bia say wanyem na wo koye test different say yare wo umogya mu na wo koye test say ye fa sebe uhwini mu bibi edi aye test any ye twi umogya edi aye test different, the levels are different. Intime enyo ne say test the cry and I me pregnancy test the cry no and me ahia na me koto and am dey e costo me same na cantum COVID aba be say me pacho me no, I'm not a health expert, but the people I've spoken to say that process to get that result, that quick rapid result in 12 minutes and give it to you say we okay it is hard. And I mean the ayam me yan say bibia bebo Ghana ho ben bia no NDC form pe bibia mechanic bia ye de beto ebebo Ghana ho ban bia no NDC form pe hwe onua 150 ya ye ken me ebrochire na mete yes ya say bia but se wo ye obi a wonni bibia papa bia koye enden ya ye ka se ne na ye se obi antena fie wo ebrochire ba bia ye se hye wo dem tena fie enti se nya bibi serious bi aye bi na aba emergency bi na aba na ese wo ko Ghana koye den na ye ni na so ya na ye wi free say yare na ye bi free ye den pompo na ba ye man ni mu e ba ne sen na corona ye import no ma ne ba ye man mu per checks ne all facts available ne kire say ye import yare no bogafo etwa border ene de ba ye enti no if you raise the price of people taking that test when they get to Ghana, it would only take the serious people on him say, oh, be seriously to do there, to say, okay, you know what, I'm gonna go and pay 150. But chile keke and unless I will no more bra, but so koji when ni keke. Now go could take your way now because over your test wa ha ube to yaka. What and son what to talk to when your money whatever. Now say could do Ghana, I say 150 USD. In this idea important to you wouldn't even go. And right now no or men be advice say more BMP more BM ko ba bia mesra mo nhefie mo mo mabusua ho ban obia mo na busua ho ban. And this the measures be at war na say baby tell people from entering na esan say binom thinking or way of thinking the BBI diabolic into ye who the importance of even it. Adentina nana omukotena ase omodwene ho no omuka say people in the ECOWAS, that's Ghanaian citizens and people in the ECOWAS no pay 50. Because you say the more people are free diaspora bano, more than what the people in the ECOWAS sub-region brings. Even though say there have been other findings to show say most of the sub-region, especially Togo, other places they are close to us, they have this Burkina Faso. So what you say? For me, say if they say 150, if it is really something, it is going to enhance, it's going to help them to do this test and do it properly. I think that there is nothing wrong with it if you have something important to do and if you pay. But media if you have nothing important to do, uko share girl, uko share boy, be kekako chile dia. Mesreo ka China yari embra se kakra, anasa ka China vaccine when start embra. Say Ghana onyankopon adaroma mu benya vaccine very soon. See enya vaccine a bed and to me taking the weather temperature that we have there, and there is one that has been identified. There are several ones that are being identified. Into mumpa yes say those doses ni mo beba na wa obenya vaccine at least yenya yare na fare by kakra ye hu the way e tie kakra nsana anke ebe start bie ni amatum anke bie atum. ye two borders mu a ade no almost start this container yare no call from wa wote Ghana bi o say yare no call from bro